Today we're making my favorite dish, which is Japanese curry on udon noodles. So first you want to slice an onion or 2 onions. The measurement depends on how much you're making. I'm only making for 2 people. Now next you want to roughly chop up a carrot or 2 carrots, again up to you. And then you want to chop a potato or 2 potatoes or 3 potatoes, again up to you. I haven't peeled these potatoes because I'm lazy, but also because these potatoes have really thin skin, so it's pretty much edible. Don't worry. Next, heat up oil in a pot, and then you want to brown your beef pieces. Just brown them. They don't need to be completely cooked. Do it in several batches so that you don't crowd it, and then put it aside. Using the same oil, now you want to saute your onion. Scrape up the brown bits and make sure it flavors your onions. Once the onions are tender, add carrots, add potatoes, and give it a stir and let it cook for like maybe 3 minutes on medium-high heat, and then add water just enough to cover the vegetables, and then reintroduce your beef. This is Japanese curry, and it comes in a block, and I have a really large block here because this is restaurant grade. Don't ask me why, but it basically looks like a giant chocolate bar, and you only need to use a little bit, but again, the measurement depends on how much you're making. So for instance, I'm only making for 2 people, and I'm thinking half of this should do, something like this. And then I'm gonna chop it up into even smaller pieces. Add those smaller pieces into your broth, and then give it a stir. Let it melt out and become a curry. This thick consistency is what you're looking for. Now this part is optional, but I like to add some ketchup for a little bit of sweetness, and then a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of vinegar. Again, all this is optional because by right, the curry should be good to eat already. Give it a stir, taste. If it tastes right, put it on top of your udon noodles. Oh, I'm getting hungry just watching this again. And then this is optional, but I like to have it with pickled ginger. And there you have it. Japanese curry on udon noodles. As usual, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.